In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloadable files to your Squarespace website in 2 minutes. Start by opening your Squarespace site and navigating to the page where you want people to download your file. Enter Edit mode by clicking Edit at the top of the page. This switches the page into the visual editor so you can add and configure content. Move your mouse to the spot where the download button should appear and click. Add block. From the block menu, choose Button. Squarespace will drop a button onto the page. Click the button to open its Settings panel on the left. In the Settings, open the Content tab. Update the button text to something clear and action-oriented, like Download Now or Get the Guide. Short, specific labels help users understand what they'll get. Next, switch to the Design tab. Choose the fill style if you want a solid, high-contrast button that's easy to see, and set the size to fit so the button wraps neatly around your text. You can adjust colors and corners later to match your site style, but fill and fit are great defaults for visibility and consistency. Now it's time to connect the file. Click the button again to open the link field in the settings. In the link options, choose File. This tells Squarespace that clicking the button should download or open a file, not go to a page or an external URL. Click to upload a file from your computer or select an existing file from your library if you've already uploaded one. PDFs are a popular choice because they're widely supported, but you can also use images, documents, or other supported file types. Give your file a clear name so visitors know exactly what they're downloading. Once your file finishes uploading, the link is set automatically. Save your changes by clicking Save at the top of the editor. Then exit the editor to view the live page. Test the button by clicking it on the live page. Depending on the file type and the visitor's browser settings, the file will either download immediately or open in a new tab. If you don't get the expected result, go back into Edit, open the button settings, and confirm the link type is File and the correct file is selected. That's it. You added a clean, professional download button without any code. Keep file sizes reasonable for faster downloads, and use concise button text so visitors know what to expect.